Hello all. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of Aspire for Her hackathon and to pitch my idea for the strategy to elevate member acquisition and outreach for this noble platform which works for young women. Let me give you all a brief introduction about myself and why did I thought of being part of this hackathon. My name is Achal Sharma and I work as a software development engineer in Geo Platforms. When I was at college, I was not much aware of such women communities where people code, where people communicate and network with so many people. But after joining Geo and getting to network with so many people, I got to know that there are such amazing communities. And I am part of various women communities, and it is very awesome to talk to such people to get so much knowledge for them. And hence, I'm very happy that Aspire for Her also works for this initiative. Currently, the pain point in this area is that in rural areas, women are not much aware of the opportunities in higher education. And even there are certain areas where girls are not much encouraged into this education and going out of the house. Hence, one should concentrate segment wise. Then people are not much aware of what women leaders are doing throughout the globe. If they come to know about this, it can give them a motivation to do well in their domain. The tier 3 and 4 college goers are not much aware of the opportunities and hence they leave behind as they are not aware what is going on. Hence, we should build a solution which is a mobile application, a guide of all the initiatives conducted by Aspire for Her. The marketing strategy is divided into three parts. The first is target segment based approach. The condition of education, the condition of opportunities in every state is not the same. As you can see, the number of colleges in Uttar Pradesh is more as compared to other colleges. And for example, the number of domain or a particular domain which is popular in Uttar Pradesh. Suppose tech domain is popular, whereas in Maharashtra a law domain is popular. So accordingly, we should target segment-based approach to attract the students who are focusing on a particular domain of that area. Hence, addressing the requirements and needs of the region, connecting campus connect programs so that we can attract students who can be the role models to uh, deliver a word of mouth of Aspire for Her. And one should conduct state-wise initiatives to have more members. The second strategy is building a daily engagement program. WhatsApp business account is very much popular with where we can give daily updates to people about the global news of women leaders, the initiative conducted by Aspire for Her. It will create a brand persona. Broadcasting about events will also help them to know that they are part of this amazing platform and they can also contribute to it. The third strategy is tying up with the training placement officers of tier 3 and 4 colleges. Because in such COVID situation, it is very hard to find job seekers and connect it with job providers. Hence, our platform, Aspire for Her, can tie up with such training placement officers, provide job opportunities, and even freelancing is booming in India currently, which is much popular in the West. Hence, providing these opportunities by tying up will help us to outreach. State based campaigns can be conducted in such a way. So, currently, I have not developed a full fledged app, but kind of an outline of how it will be. So, in our app, we can have a search icon and various regions, and initiatives concentrating on that region can be developed. Then the supporters and tie-ups can be selected, can join our program through selecting such things. Where we can have different sections for the content providers, sponsors, mentors, and TP of colleges. I have conducted a survey in which I've had given these options to women to select that why they would join a women community. So maximum of people want to join communities because they want to network with people. Hence, sessions, one to one networking sessions will help a lot. Hence, the conclusion is that segment based approach will enhance member acquisition. Tier 3 and 4 colleges might have various good students but who don't have access to opportunities. Hence, we tying up with them will help a lot. And a daily notification through the WhatsApp business account. So, if a notification is given to user in every 24 hour, once in 24 hour, it is free of cost. Hence, it will also help them to be part of the community, and it will help them to keep in mind that okay, they are part of this community and we can there to help them. Such 3-4 campaigns can be analyzed and it can help us know that which campaign is working out, and accordingly we can focus on it. Hence, this is what I have planned to outreach, aspire for her, and help in the member acquisition of various states across India, and the same can be implemented globally. Thank you.